Hi, and welcome back to Miss Cell Creations. This glorious mess that I have is my collection of, well, these are the bars that I had ordered from bbcraft.com, and these beautiful beads. And if you watched my video a couple of videos ago, this might have even been back at Valentine's Day, I made this purse charm or backpack, or, you know, you could put it on a lot of different things. But I made this, and I used these bars, and you just simply unscrew one end of it, put whatever beads you want to on it, and then put the other end back on it, attach a keychain, and in this one I did a lobster claw and a little tassel, and then you have these adorable little beaded charms, I guess. I don't know what the right word for it is. Fell in love with it. Absolutely love doing this. So I saw something on Etsy, maybe. I don't remember where I saw it, but they took a smaller bar with a chain, and I did a haul. My last Temu haul had these in it. And it comes with this little chain on it and this lobster, much larger lobster claw. And it's intended, and it's so stinking cute. Now, I'm always behind the game. I am not a fashion diva. I don't wear makeup. I don't do dress up and all that garbage. But it's intended, so I'm always behind the times. I am definitely not known for my fashion statements. Anyways, you hook it around a mug after you get my finger caught in it, and then it hangs, and then you have these decorated. So that's what we're going to do today, is we are going to decorate one of these for this cute little mug I just picked up at Walmart, and we're going to make a mug charm. I don't know what the right word for that would be. Comes with all these neat little things on the side. A lot of them do nowadays, but anywhoots, so I thought we could use an assortment of, now these charms here, or these beads, I saw these at Walmart today, and this is actually what inspired me to do this. And I picked up one in every color that they had. So they had this pink, they had this purple, and I'm not entirely sure which one's gonna look cuter on here. We're gonna try them both probably. They also had a blue, and they had this one in browns, and this one in silvers and, well, silvers. So I think we're gonna put these to the side for now, and I'm gonna do a pink and a purple one and see which one I like the best on it. And I have all of these leftover charms, pieces, bead pieces, whatever you call all this stuff, from doing these. And because it came as a kit, that's what got me started. And I thought we could use some of these. I know I don't want these hearts, so I'm going to go ahead and put, well, maybe those pink ones, but I don't want any of these red pieces. So we're going to get those out of the way right away. I know I don't want any red. So, and then I'll just leave the rest of that in there for now. And then these are the pieces I was really interested in. So these are, I think they call them spacer beads, these little pieces that go in between. So they had these, and then they also have these pretty little glass looking, I'm assuming these are spacer beads as well, because they're not nearly as big as these other beads. But like I said, in that one, I am new to this whole beading thing, so I don't know what anything is called, and I'm probably not using them in the correct way, but it's okay. It's just me. All right, so I picked out a metal one with the lobster claw on it. And I may not be able to use these bigger beads because this is not a very long one, not like this one. This one was a much thicker and much bigger centerpiece. Here we go. That was those bars, and this is this one. So the these were much more significant. Now you could use these still on there, and I think it would be just fine. But these came with the chains already on them, so this is just what I'm going to use. All right, enough yakking. Let's get a pair of scissors out here and make a mess by cutting the end of this. And everything's going to come flying off of there now. Okay, and then let's do the same on the purple, because I do want to use, I'm going to make me a purple one as well. And then we can just decide which one we like better. So I think we need to start with a spacer. Now I'm not sure these holes and the beads on these are big enough. Nope, they are not. So these beads, or spacer beads, or whatever those are called, they do not fit on that rod. That rod's too thick. And the hole in the bead is too small. So I know these will fit. And I think these are the best thing to start with because it kind of fits right up against that little ball. Maybe I want one of these instead, so there's not so much of a gap. I like that better. Okay. And then do we do a spacer and then a white one? Let's do pink. And then a spacer. And maybe we'll do 2 pink on this one. This one's got a lot more white. And then we end it with, ooh, am I gonna have enough room to get the end on that? Oh, now I've lost the end of it. Where did it go? I'm sure you guys see it. Where's it at? There it is. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? Again, I am not a girly girl, but that's pretty cute. Oh, you know what I'm missing? Is I didn't get another spacer bead in between these two. Does it hurt? I don't think it hurts anything. I'm gonna leave it, because I like it. It's cute. Except for this one is not quite centered. There we go. There we go. Super cute. This is going to be a super short video. It's going to be more me tripping over my own fingers because this stuff is so dainty. And then there we go. And then you could even go a step further and get a tassel. I got a pink one right here. And got little jump rings right there. There we go. So we could do it with a tassel. That's cute. And you could even go, I have all of these charms. You could take a charm. Okay, I gotta do it. Now we gotta go all out. I'm all in now. Let's see if we can find a couple. Here's a cute little heart. And this one says love. Let's do that one. I'm gonna leave the love off of there. I don't want to overdo it on there. What do you think? You like it? That's pretty cute, actually. For not being very girly, that's awful cute. Alright, let's do another one. And this time, let's do it in purple. I think I really like the pink on this mug, but I'm just gonna leave that on there. Alright, let's do us a purple one. And you can kind of see why I've gone down a rabbit hole with these things, because They're so quick to put together, and they're not really difficult. They just take a little bit of time, but really, they don't even, I wouldn't even say they do that. They go together so fast. I think I did. I pulled this one. Okay, no, that's all right. Let's see, we were gonna do purple, so let's start with, maybe we do white on this one. And then I'm gonna do a spacer bead. The one thing I have discovered on these spacer beads is they've got little rhinestones in them all the way around them. And you just want to make sure that those rhinestones are all there, because I have noticed that on my last ones, there were several rhinestones that were actually missing. So that was a bummer to have to take it apart. And then let's do another one of these. Oh, I put two purple ones in the middle. Wonder if I do one of these. Take that one out, put this one there. Oh, I like that, yep. And then a white one. Uh-oh. I don't think I left myself enough room on this one. I said that last time though, so we'll see. I don't think I'm a fan of that one. I'm gonna pull that one. Now that I got it all back together finally, I'm gonna pull that purple one out. I think you either gotta do, I don't know. That just doesn't look quite right. So take that one off, and we're gonna use another one of these. And then put it all back together. Oh yeah, that's much prettier. I like it. Actually, I did it again. That's almost too long, so I wonder if I just put this one against that one, only do one spacer bead, then this one, and then the white one. Oh yeah, that fits much better. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Oh, they fit much better together this way too. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Honestly, it's not that much more purple than the pink one is. Only in those couple of beads do I have the purple. Oh, shoot. Yep, I didn't get the bottom one. Well, this one I know went on, I think because I had too many of these spacer beads on that other one. So let me put this one back together real quick. Oh yeah, much more snug. So there's not a whole lot of difference in the two. This one's just got more purple in it, and then we got the white beads on the end. So, but we can add more purple to it by adding a purple tassel. Do this little low one on this one. All right, let's put this one on there. Does your family have traditions? Do you guys have stuff that you do every year that for Easter? Do you have like our kids are all grown, so we don't do the Easter egg hunts anymore. I suppose we could make the boys hunt Easter eggs. Our grown boys hunt Easter eggs. If we put something special in it, maybe they'd be a little more enticed to do so. All right, that one's super cute too. I like them both. They're both really cute. You could probably do both. I know people that do tons of these on their purses and stuff. They have more charms on there than their charms weigh more than their purse does. So anyways, just something fun. Wanted to keep this one short and sweet since it is Easter. I don't want to keep anybody any longer than we have to. Hopefully you're getting to spend it with your family and your loved ones. And thank you so much for taking some time out, even if it's not on Easter, if it's the day after or the week after or 2 or 3 years later. I appreciate you being here with us today. Hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. Maybe you can put one together for your mug. It sure makes them awful pretty. For not being very girly, I'm gonna make me a red one and I'm gonna put it on my Buc-ee's mug because those are stinking cute. And you know what? Nobody will ever get the wrong mug because you're always gonna know that one's yours. From across the room, you're gonna be able to tell that that's yours. All right, guys. I hope you have a wonderful Easter. We will see you guys on Tuesday with a short. Have a great day. Thanks for being here. Take care. Bye-bye.